My name is Bob Sharp. I'm Director of International Sales for SVSi. We're a technology company out of Huntsville, Alabama, and have been providing video over IP technology to the Pro AV industry for the past 6 years. This year at InfoComm, as well as our existing product lines and our added features of walk control and some other peripheral devices, the key is we're introducing 4K over IP. As with all our other encoding and decoding, the concept is obviously simple. Video in to the encoder, network out. Our networking side is completely standards-based Layer 3 enterprise networking. So it's compatible with switches, routers, standard networking infrastructure. And that's one of our sort of sales pitches, is that networking infrastructure always gets better, faster, cheaper, year by year by year. You don't hear of, a network getting slower and more expensive. And we leverage off that technology. So with the 4K product, we are providing 10 gig fiber as uncompressed 4K, and also JPEG compressed 4K, keeping under 1 gigabit, so it can be accommodated on a gigabit network as opposed to requiring a 10 gig fiber network. So video in, audio in, and then network out. Then at the other end, we have the decoding side, which is the opposite, network in, video out. What's unique about our implementation of 4K in the IP space is that it allows us the ability to do a completely seamless switch. So instead of it losing sync, reacquiring the new source content, the switch is absolutely instantaneous. So source 1, back to source 2, back to source 1, and you'll see it's a frame perfect switch. No other 4K solution we're aware of can provide this capability. What makes life easier is the fact that the infrastructure is standards-based networking. What we're finding in Pro AV, that it is the clients, the end users, the facilities, the government the government facilities, the entertainment facilities, corporate headquarters, whatever. Networking makes sense to them. They are investing a lot of money in very high capacity capable networks, and they're the ones who say, why can't my video and my audio be on that network? And I think, so it's sort of now the client almost driving the direction of integration to say, we don't really want you putting in discrete audio and video systems. We want to put it on our network. And that's what this product and all of our products allow you to do. The advantage to the customer, the end user, is it's a common skill set then. Their IT department can understand the product, they can troubleshoot it, they can use the same tool sets they have for network management, although the inputs are video and the outputs are video. For the integrator, it gives them the opportunity to provide the customer with a very trouble-free implementation. It's a very flexible solution. You're not locked into a frame size of 16 in, 16 out, 32 in, 32 out. You can do a matrix of 10 in, 1,000 out if you want. There's no limitation to the inputs and the outputs because it's a network infrastructure.